The soil is like the Earth's skin, and that's what makes our planet unique, is we have a living soil ecosystem. It is alive, and climate scientists can see it almost like they can almost see it breathing. They can measure it when they see the northern forests draw down the atmospheric carbon in the spring. So when you take away that cover, what you're doing is you're allowing the water to go back up into the atmosphere. And what happens is, the reason our state burns so badly is it is as dry as a piece of toast, because the soils lack carbon. Water follows carbon. If you increase soil carbon by 1%, this is a natural resource conservation statistic. So 1% in the top 6 inches of topsoil, your holding capacity on an acre of land is 27,000 gallons of water. So if you are exposing your soil constantly to the sun and the wind and the heat, and it's drying it out, all that moisture is dissipating. And so when fire comes through, you don't have that sponginess. We have a dry sponge where we should have like a moist sponge. So I just want to broaden the conversation just a little bit, because soil is one of these sort of, we all talk a lot about water and the atmosphere and so forth, and soil is something that we really take for granted. But for food security, water security, for our medicines, for so much, we absolutely rely on it for decomposition. And yet we are abusing it, and we could work with it and really cost effectively. And so that would help alleviate poverty. We have all these millennial goals that the UN has put forward. We're never going to meet them unless we put some of that back into vegetation and soil.